The 2025 Audi Q5 has officially been put through its paces by the European New Car Assessment Program, and the results are in. With an overall solid showing, this new generation of Audi's popular sport utility vehicle is proving itself as more than just a stylish family ride. It scored 85% for adult occupant protection, 86% for child occupant protection, 79% for vulnerable road users, and 77% in safety assist systems. In frontal crash tests, the Q5 maintained a stable passenger compartment, which is great news for real-world impact scenarios. Protection for knees and femurs was rated highly, and the vehicle also offered consistent safety regardless of the size or position of the occupant. However, chest protection for the driver and rear passenger was only rated as marginal, which is something Audi may want to address in future updates. Side impact results were much more impressive, with top marks in both barrier and pole tests. The far side airbag worked as intended, helping prevent injuries when occupants are thrown toward the opposite side of the cabin. Whiplash protection was also rated well, thanks to good seat and headrest design. Child safety was another strong area. The Q5 performed exceptionally in dynamic tests using dummies representing 6-year-old and 10-year-old children. All seating positions that allow for child restraint installation passed with ease, and there is even an airbag cutoff switch for the front passenger seat. The car also includes several high-tech safety features, such as autonomous emergency braking for pedestrians, cyclists, and other vehicles. Although it did not score full points across every scenario, its performance was still strong overall. With features like fatigue detection, speed assistance, and lane keeping systems, the Audi Q5 proves to be more than just a pretty face. It is a high-tech family hauler with safety as a top priority. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new car reviews like this one.